Okay, 3 more problems for you. Are you ready? Okay, let's go to the first one. Actually, all 3 are the same. There's an empty space here, and you have to look at 1, 2, 3, and 4 options and decide which one is correct. Okay? Only one answer. Okay, let's do the first one. Shall we stop walking and have lunch? Well, we have to walk before lunch. Okay? Shall we stop walking and have lunch? I'm hungry. Yeah? She's hungry. Well, we have another miles, another 2 miles, 2 another miles, or 2 miles another. Okay. First, very easy. We would kill 2 of these options very quickly because in English, the grammar with another, always you start with another. Okay? So it's another something. Oops, sorry. Another something. So you don't say 2 miles another or 2 another miles. Another comes first. Okay? So, another miles or another 2 miles to walk before lunch. Okay? They still have to walk more. They're not finished walking yet. Okay? This one is 1 mile. This one is 2 miles. Okay? This another means additional or more. Okay? So another miles or another 2 miles. There's something wrong here. Very simple though. Okay? This is 1 mile. But look, there's an S. 1 mile with an S? No. S is for multiple. Okay? Another 2 miles. These ones, okay, go together. Mile, another miles, no number here. It doesn't say 2, doesn't say 3, just another mile. That just means 1. You have 1 mile with an S? No. So, correct answer? 2. Okay? Next one. This is simply vocabulary. You have to remember the English vocabulary. Okay? Some words sound similar, so let's be careful. She is so that she cries when she read that miserable story. Okay, miserable. Do you know the famous play called Misérable? It's a very sad story. Okay, miserable is sad. Okay, so she cries. She cries when she read that sad story. Okay, so what is she? She is so. What kind of a woman will cry when she reads a sad story? Well, let's look at the words. Literal. Literal means exactly the way it's written, right? So maybe not so great. Literate means someone who went to school many years and studied, and they can read, they can write, they're very smart. Do smart people cry? Maybe, but strange. Sensible. Sensible means common sense. Do you know the word common sense? It means someone who is just very level-headed, does everything with a smart, very level-headed, neutral way of doing things. Sensible. Sensitive. Sensitive. Very sensitive. Can feel, can express, and can feel things very deeply. That's sensitive. Okay? A woman who cries because of a sad story, she's sensitive. Okay? Not sensible, not literate, not literal, but sensible. Sensitive, I'm sorry. Sensitive is the correct answer. Next one. Do you know the population of this city is? Well, I don't know. Okay. Population. Okay. In English, population is described in large population, small population, right? So if you were to ask about the population, the size, how large is the population or how small is the population? Okay? So do you know how the population of the city is? We need the large or the small. There is no large and small, so that can't be it. How many? No, because we just told you it's how large. If you're going to use how, it has to be how large or how small, not how many. No. Okay? Do you know how much? Also, the same. It's not large or small, it's much. The only answer that can be is, do you know what the population of this city is? Another example in English is not just population, but the temperature. The temperature, hot, cold, how hot. Also, do you know what the temperature is outside? Okay? Also, the price of something. Do you know what the price of this car is? Okay? So, number 4 is the only answer available here. Okay? はい、簡単に日本語で説明します。最初が、簡単な文法だったんですけど、another なんとかっていう another で始まる文法ですね。こちらはもう歩くのをやめてランチしないかってお腹空いたんで。いや、でも、まだ、ある距離を歩かなきゃいけない。ランチの前に。ランチする前にある距離を歩かなきゃいけない。っていう文法に、まずはanother で始まる文法だからすぐに3と4はもう消せます。もうありえない英語になってます。2 miles another っていうのはもうそんなことを言う英語圏の人はいません。これも同じです。では、ここで引っかかります。another miles か another 2 miles。違いは1マイルか2マイルだけなんですけども、なんで2っていうのが正解かというと分かるかというと、ここです。ここが鬼です。この S はおかしいです。なぜかというと、another mile、数字はここに入ってないのは自動的に1っていう意味になっているので、1なのに複数形になっているのはおかしいです。なので、デフォルトでこれしか残らないということです。次。She is so sensitive that she cries when she reads that miserable story. Miserable は悲しいっていう意味なんだけど、ここが分からなくても、もうここだけでcries で大体わかるはずです。どんな意味の言葉が女性の方を泣かせるか、どのような女性が泣くかということを考えてください。それだけです。女性が she cries ここだけでわかります。どの言葉が泣く女性をうまく描写しているか。literal っていうのは文字通り。literate っていうのは教養のある。sensible っていうのは常識のある。どれも別に泣くことありえなくはないんですけれども、sensitive 敏感が完全に、当てはまります。これは単語を覚えるしかないです。sensitive sensible はセンスなんとかっていう確かに敏感センスなんとかだったので3にしますとかそういうのに引っかからないように。sensible が全く違う常識という意味ですので。はい。最後、ここはちょっと複雑ですけども、Do you know what the population of this city is? Well, I don't know. この町の人口を知ってるかっていうことですね。で、結構この人口なので、すぐに how many を選びがちの方いっぱいいらっしゃると思います。なぜかというと、population なので、数えるような感じになるんですけれども、population 人口っていうのは large と small で表すんですね。大きなものとか小さなもの、小さな人口、大きな人口とか決まった数字、決まったものとして表しているので、 実は人口だけじゃなくて、例えば温度、あとは値段のことも、数えるんじゃなくて一定のものとして表すので、what しか使わない。how many は使いません。